Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive straight into how to create a personal development plan using Notion, the all-in-one productivity tool. This is your full guide for 2025, so let's get started. Our first step is to open up Notion and create a new page titled Personal Development Plan 2025. This dedicated space is where you'll map out your growth over the next year. Now that we've done that, you'll want to divide your plan into 4 key areas: skills, career, health, and relationships. The reason we do this is to ensure a holistic approach to personal development. Next up, let's delve into the skills section. Here, you'll list all the skills you want to develop or improve in 2025. This helps us because it gives a clear roadmap of what you aim to achieve. For each skill, create a new subpage. In these subpages, list out the steps or resources to help you master that skill. Remember, breaking down big goals into small, actionable steps makes them more manageable. Moving on to the career section, here you'll outline your professional growth targets. Maybe you're aiming for a promotion or planning to start a new business. Whatever it is, make sure to list down specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART goals. This is crucial because SMART goals give you a clear and realistic path to success. Now let's tackle the health and relationship sections. In health, you could list fitness targets, dietary changes, or mental health goals. In relationships, consider aspects like improving communication or spending more quality time with loved ones. Each of these areas contributes to your overall well-being, so don't neglect them. Once you've filled in these sections, create a timeline for each goal. Notion's timeline view is perfect for this. This step is important because it helps you visualize your journey and stay on track. Now you might wonder, what's happening behind the scenes? Well, by creating this personal development plan, you're setting a clear vision for your future. This clarity will guide your decisions, keep you motivated, and help you measure your progress. Finally, remember to review and update your plan regularly. Life changes, and so do your goals. Regular updates will ensure that your plan stays relevant and effective. And that's it. You've now created your personal development plan in Notion. This is more than just a list of goals. It's a blueprint for your growth in 2025. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep growing and keep achieving.